Here we are talking about taping mama's belly, expecting belly, to help support your diaphragm, which could look like heartburn or acid reflux, and round ligament, so a little bit lower. Now, when we're starting at the diaphragm, you do not have to do this, but I like to use a little bit of lotion or even maybe some Biofreeze. The Biofreeze is nice because the tape will stick better to this, but what we can do is use a little bit right underneath the rib cage to just help create space. Our diaphragm is our primary breathing muscle, and we want to keep that nice and relaxed. So I'll use a little bit of Biofreeze here. I will find mom's bottom of the sternum xiphoid process and just follow right underneath her ribs to massage and create a little bit of room, okay? Now, when we talk heartburn, acid reflux, your stomach sits on the left side, so pay special attention to the left side if you are dealing with any heartburn or acid reflux. You can work through 3 to 5 passes, whatever feels good to you, and use a decent amount of pressure here. Now, when the Biofreeze has dried, we'll grab our tape. We pre-cut, we round the corners so that it doesn't stick to your clothing. I like to lay about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of tape. Again, right at the bottom of the sternum, right along the rib cage. No wrinkles. I will hold where I anchored the tape and then apply 20 to 30% stretch through the middle of the tape, making sure that there is no stretch through either end of the tape. So the stretch is only in the middle. We will do both sides, of course. So same thing, I will start at the top of the rib cage, anchor that 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I hold where I anchored, apply 20 to 30% stretch, follow the rib cage, down and out, and then there is also no stretch on the other end. You do not want stretch throughout the whole piece of tape through both ends because that can pull on the skin and irritate it. Now, when we're talking round ligament, we do just the same. I like to start at the midline always. I will anchor the tape, making sure there's no air bubbles, no wrinkles in the tape. Apply 30 to 40% stretch. And we'll do both sides. This can be really nice to help with pain management, to help support the soft tissue, the musculature, and the ligaments, and taking some weight and pressure off of the round ligaments. You can keep this on upwards of a week, but pay special attention to whether or not it is irritating your skin. If it feels itchy for any reason, take it off right away.